Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. Today we're in my kitchen and we're going to do a quick Aldi haul. I know it's different, but again, I just had my windows done and so my craft room is packed up basically, so I can't do anything. So, quick Aldi haul because I went to Aldi today. Today is Sunday. Show you what I got. Just a few items, a couple items that are new, so that's kind of exciting. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Let's go ahead and go take a look. Okay, here we go. Ready? I don't know, I don't have a chair or anything that sits right in here, so I'm standing up. And the first thing I got was for the office for work tomorrow. And this is the Bake Shop Raspberry Danish. And I love raspberry Danish. I am supposed to be gluten-free because of my lupus. So I buy it for the office so that I can have one slice and be done. And then the rest of the office will eat the rest. So this Bake Shop Raspberry Danish, I think it was like $3.99 or something like that. Aldi has good prices on everything, so I'm not going to go through all the pricing. And then the pasture-raised large grade A brown eggs. I eat an egg for breakfast every morning, so I need my eggs. So I always have my eggs. And I do prefer the pasture-raised, the way they taste, versus the organic. I used to always get the organic eggs from Aldi, and then I tried the pasture-raised, I don't know, a while back, a couple months back, and I switched to those. And then they didn't have any one day, so I had to go back to organic, and there is a difference, and I didn't like it. So I'm back on the pasture-raised, not pasteurized. And then along with my coffee, I always eat a kiwi in the morning. So these are the green kiwi from Sealed Sweet, I guess that says. And there are quite a few in here. It typically about 2 weeks or so is what it lasts. And I eat a kiwi every morning. And then me and my gluten, you know. I picked up the pepperoni and mozzarella flatbread. I've had this a few times before, and it's just a quick and easy meal. You can stick in the oven for, I think it's 20 minutes or something, and you have a quick dinner. So anytime that I'm not going to cook, or anytime, because I do get Green Chef meals, and when I'm not going to do one of those, I'm not going to cook one of those, this is kind of the thing that I would rely on. So flatbread, pepperoni, and mozzarella pizza. And they've got the cute little, not cute, but they're good, mozzarella little balls on there, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Can't complain. I don't like pizza spots like Domino's and Pizza Hut and Little Caesars and all that. I don't too much care for that, so I just do it on my own like that. And then for lunch, I'm a very even-keeled person. I eat the same thing every day almost for breakfast and lunch. So here's my lunch. These are the Crackers Snack Selects. And what does it say? It says natural pepper jack and Colby Jack cheese with mini round crackers. So it's just little squares of cheese with little crackers. And it is 170 calories per container. There's 3 containers in here. And it's 10 carbohydrates and 9 grams of protein. That's the part that I like. The carbohydrates, because I am diabetic, I do have to watch my carbs because I do take insulin. I'm on an insulin pump. So this is a perfect meal because the 9 grams of protein kind of make up for any of those carbs that I do eat. So this is part of my lunch that I eat every day. I eat this, and I drink a bottle of water, and let's see if I can get it next. I always have some sort of fresh fruit or vegetable for lunch. So I got strawberries this time, so I'll have a few strawberries and then that snack back there. And so these are organic strawberries, Central West organic strawberries. And, you know, I don't know what you say about strawberries, they're good. They're organic, which means they're smaller. They're not all they're not all GMO, so that's awesome. And I found this. Now, I have not seen this at Aldi before. So, I don't know, is this new? Have you all seen this before? I don't know. It is chicken breast bites, fully cooked and seasoned with buffalo-style dipping sauce. Now, what in my mind, what I was thinking was this would be great to put in a taco if you're just gonna make quick tacos at home. You could just warm these up or not, I guess. They can be cold, I guess. But put them in a taco real quick because they're already cooked, they're already seasoned, and then you've got sauce if you wanted the buffalo sauce. There were other flavors as well, but this is the one that I chose. So chicken breast bites, and these were $3.99, and I thought that was a great price because there's quite a bit of chicken in there. Let's see, it says just one serving, but there's 21 grams of protein if you're gonna eat the whole package. And I can't read what it says. There's like 2 grams of carbs or something like that. So pretty good little snack if you're gonna have it as a snack, or what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it for tacos, or I'm gonna add it to tacos. And then these are mini cucumbers, and I take these with me for lunch. If I'm not doing a fruit, I'll do a mini cucumber because it's a great size and it's easy and you don't have to do anything, wash it basically. So quick and easy mini cucumber. And then my cranberry juice. I drink a lot of cranberry juice. I like the way it tastes. I like the way it tastes when I mix it with alcohol. And it's a quick pickup if my blood sugar is low. So I always get cranberry juice, and it's 100% cranberry juice. It is not a cranberry juice cocktail. If you're getting a juice cocktail, look at the ingredients because it won't be good. These ingredients, it says, I can't read what it says. My eyes are so bad these days. Water, apple, grape, pear, and cranberry juice concentrate. Cranberry juice concentrate obviously being number 1. But anyway, so whoa, I almost dropped it. 100% cranberry juice. I love this. I get it every time I go to Aldi. And my creamer to go with my coffee that goes with my breakfast. I like this cinnamon roll coffee that they have. This is Barissimo. I don't know if it's an Aldi brand. I think it is. I don't know how to tell if it's an Aldi brand or not, but this is good. They have lots of different flavors, of course, but this is my new favorite, is the cinnamon roll. It's like the Cinnabon creamer from International Delight, I think is who does that one. But this is, half the price, and it's at Aldi, so it's good. Cinnamon roll creamer. And I guess this is last. Last is my wine, Pacific Fruit Vineyards. This is sweet pineapple wine. Normally I get peach. They didn't have peach, so pineapple will do. It's just a little cheap. It's like a $3 or $4 wine, which I use as a drink. I don't drink juice, just like people drink juice when they sit down and eat a meal. I don't do that. So I either drink water or I drink some sort of alcohol. So this is a lesser amount of alcohol, so a little bit better for me, I can pretend, maybe, I don't know. And that's it, that's all I got. So just a really quick haul from Aldi. I love Aldi, it's where I shop. It saves me hundreds of dollars every month, probably every month. Definitely every year for sure. It saves me thousands a year. So it's a great place to shop. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Let me know, have you tried any of these? Are any of these your favorites? Are any of these your go-tos that you get every time you go to Aldi? Do you go to Aldi? Do you even go to Aldi? BJ's is the new thing down here in near Dallas, Texas. I haven't been there. I don't plan to, really. But anyway. So I thank y'all so much for stopping by today. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.